As soon as we entered there, we started clicking photos to capture our memories. It was a little bit dangerous, but at the same time, it was so amazing, also interesting. Assalamualaikum. I'm Jasia Tasnim from batch 52 and my ID number is 2183. Today I'm going to share with you a memorable journey from my life. It was our school trip. It is something that I will never forget. Our trip was at Narayanganj and we had been waiting for 2 weeks and the day finally came. The place we visited was a beautiful park and which is called Subarnogram. We arrived there at 8 o'clock in the morning. We started our journey with full of joy and happiness. It is something that which was really so enjoyable for us that will remain in my heart forever. As soon as we entered there, we started clicking photos to capture our memories, and then we explored the park and enjoyed a lot of rides. Among all the rides, there was one ride which was really exciting and thrilling. It was a little bit dangerous, but at the same time it was so amazing, also interesting. After that we went to take lunch for the restaurant, and then we again explored the park, also enjoyed many other rides. Finally it was time to go back home. At 6 o'clock we returned in the evening. By the way, the return journey was no less enjoyable. We also enjoyed there. The night scene was also so beautiful. So it was my memorable journey from my life. So thank you for listening.